Today we're down to a normal flood level as we do on a typical year. It's 47 and raining, but we usually get a puddle there and a puddle there. You can't see it, but the spruce behind this spruce is, you can see the grass around it. Walking to the edge of my deck. See, there's just some puddles. That's why we have low spots on the lawn from where the creek carves it out. And it's just skimming underneath the bridge. This is what we're used to, usually, for the spring runoff. There's our hose siphoning the water from the basement, which filled up again. Well, not filled up, the basement, a couple inches on the floor. This time it went all the way to the back. Luckily we have a low enough spot that we can siphon the water out of the basement. I think that creek level there is slightly lower than the basement floor. And I think this hill, where our house is on top of, it just, I think it just became so saturated with water that the water seeped in through the basement floor, or by the joint of the wall in the floor. And that's how the water got in our basement. There is no other, the whole wall is wet, so that's how I think it got in. It's not supposed to warm up today. Hopefully we won't flood again, because when the water gets up to the edge of the hill, my siphon is underwater, and if I raise it any farther, it's higher than the level of the top of the hose and will not siphon anymore. And then we flood again. So hopefully this will stay cool today. Can't believe I'm hoping that it'll stay cool today. So we can be done with water in our basement. Now I got a big job. Here's the garbage we got yesterday up. A lot of cardboard, a lot of wet cardboard, and some dry on top. Work at it again today.